going today?
Back out to the Bothie site.
Is this for the Land Conservancy picture contest?
Yeah, same one.
And have you talked to the people that are involved with it yet?
Yeah, I was out visiting with them last week.
Oh, and what's the site like?
The Bothie is one of several conservation areas just to the south of Woodstock. The two adjacent areas are the Yonder Prairie and the Westwood. Up until 1988, the land around there was primarily farmland. Around 1999, the area just to the east of the Bothie started to be developed. And around 2003, the development continued. In 2008, there was further development to the east of the Bothie. In 2010, the current owners of the land worked to create a conservation easement to include the property. This was merged with the other two sites to become an Illinois State Nature Preserve. The Bothie is still a part of a planned land management project. The Land Conservancy of McHenry County is also working with this site.
How many pictures do you have to take?
I have to take 3 pictures of the site, and I can take an additional 3 pictures of their organization. Since it's not due until August, I figure this gives me 3 seasons to work with: winter, spring, and summer.
This is the 5th year the Conservancy has sponsored the Art of the Land photo contest. This year there are almost 50 photographers competing for awards, which will be given out at a ceremony in September at the Starline Gallery in Harvard. Since 1991, the Land Conservancy has helped protect over 1,900 acres of McHenry County's prairies, wetlands, and woodlands by working with private landowners, communities, and other partners. This is supported by direct acquisition of property through purchase or donation, or the establishment of conservation easements. The organization has a full-time staff of 4 people and over 100 volunteers. They watch over approximately 60 sites, ranging in size from several hundred square feet to over 250 acres. McHenry County's landscape is richly diversified. Its features range from glacial remnants such as commies, moraines, and outwash plains to the more recent woodlands, prairies, stream corridors, bogs, and fens. Most of this variety is the result of the glaciers that covered parts of North America over 12,000 years ago. This is an organization that goes beyond talking about the conservation of our lands and actively goes out and gets its hands dirty. Spring has returned to the Bothie, and the snow cover is receding. As many home gardeners and the farmers realize, there's a lot of work that has to be accomplished before the first plants start to appear. Some of these tasks actually begin in the previous fall with the gathering and the sorting of the seeds, the preparing of the planting beds, and eventually the transferring of the young plants to their new homes. Another critical step is the preparation of the land and the soil so that the desired species can grow and thrive. One technique learned from nature is the burn-off. Research shows that this happened on the average of every 10 years in the Midwest. The Native Americans learned the value of this and did it in the fall to gather food for the winter, and the European farmers learned it from them. Now the practice is recommended for every 2 to 3 years. The Bothie will have a prescribed burn in April, managed by the TLC with a team taught by professionals that includes both classroom and supervised field exercises. As a caution, these operations should not be attempted by the untrained. They can be dangerous.